Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. This decadent chocolate pudding, also known as chocolate fondant, is easy to make. Will melt on your plate and in your mouth, guaranteed deliciousness. It's like love at first bite. Tips before we make the chocolate molten lava cake. Use a high-quality chocolate. This is the main flavor and you will taste the difference when using a better ingredient. The bake time will change based on the size of your ramekins and your oven idiosyncrasies. So, it's a good idea to do a test batch before you serve this on any occasions. Avoid overcooking the center or it will end up dry. Without further ado, here are the ingredients. Half cup unsalted butter, about 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate, 2 full eggs and 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 pinch salt, and 2 tablespoons flour. Half teaspoon espresso powder. Initially, we will preheat the oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit. And then, we'll butter the insides of the ramekins. In a microwavable bowl, we will pour the chocolate and the butter in the microwave. Put the butter with the chocolate on low heat for 30 seconds or in double boiler as you like. And then we will mix it until smooth. We'll add the espresso. It's actually optional, but a little bit of coffee brings out the more chocolatey flavor. In a medium bowl, we will beat the eggs with the egg yolks, sugar, and salt. We will beat it until thickened and pale. We are now in the chocolate mixture. We will fold the chocolate mixture and flour into the egg mixture. We will then pour the butter. By the way, for any requests or suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I do answer all of my viewers. Also, for those watching now who haven't subscribed yet, it will be a great help to my channel in continuing my passion in cooking. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell button as well. And we'll bake it on 230 degrees Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. But take note, the time may vary depending on the size of your ramekins and your oven. And then let the cakes cool in the ramekins for a minute. And then we'll cover each with an inverted dessert plate. And we'll then unmold. We'll sift the powdered sugar on the top and garnish with berries. We'll add an ice cream. We'll then add sprinkles for a pretty finish. There you go! Our chocolate molten lava cake. Moist and ooey-gooey center. Again, stay safe. I appreciate you. Bye!